Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Blazer Mid 77 by Nike. This is the Blazer Mid 77 Vintage Suede by Nike and this released in early July 2019 and it comes with your classic orange Nike box with the old school italic Nike swooshes that sits on the sides. An extra set of laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These 70s classic basketball shoes takes on the colourful mid form just in time for the summer. It features a synthetic suede upper with mustard yellow on the lateral side, noble red on the medial side, jade aura green eye stays, grey and sky blue suede at the toe, with a leather swoosh that sits on both sides of the mid panel. At the heel you get a dark blue strip with a grey Nike painted heel tab. All of this sits on a clean off-white sole. For that 70s touch it has that exposed foam nylon tongue with that classic black and red Nike tongue tab. This is just a great general release. It feels like every other week we get a collaboration or limited release, which is cool, but to me all you need is two things: a fresh colorway and decent materials. And this is it. The materials are synthetic, but it feels nice and soft. The Blazer 77 is that classic timeless shoe I associate with the Air Jordan 1 or Adidas Stan Smith. Like the shoes I just mentioned, they are the older retro sneakers, so they're fairly standard when it comes to comfort. I know this colorway may not be for everyone, but I can definitely see these doing really well this summer. I'll stay true to sizing these, they fit just like the Air Max 1 or a Jordan 1. I just wanted to quickly get this in for you guys, so here are my thoughts. Now it's time for yours. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Or are these not for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment jacket to show me you watch this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.